Loko ka?
Hindi pa naman. Ayun.
Alay. Parang butler. Man. No. Head. Si Kapitan.
Walang sasakyan dito.
Ay.
Hindi.
Punta na ako dyan.
Ando pa naman sa malayo.
Whee!
Dito na naman tayo.
Dito
Dito na naman kami.
Ano binabaril nyo?
Sa malayo.
Parang familiar din ah.
Parang napanood mo na to, Del, no?
Oo, panood ko na din.
Iba na yung kakalabasan ngayon. Ito ba? Nandito? Sa may bahay, sa kabila?
Oo ata. Ewan ko dyan kay Casey. Love, may tactical dito. Gusto mo?
Hindi ko kailangan.
Ay.
Uy. Ito na lang.
Kailangan ba ng tactical, Casey?
No.
Del, naalala mo itong baril na to, Del?
Ako yung namatay din.
Asan ba?
K47.
Sa bahay?
Kita ka na?
Saan?
Rooftop ate.
Dito?
75.
75. Dito? Ba yung mark ko?
May rosok ka.
Yan.
Layo masyado.
Ang bahay.
3x na ako.
Tinamaan ko nga eh. Tinamaan ko. Yung building.
Hindi ko nga kita, oh.
Ito nga rin malakas ako susugurin ko.
Dito ba? Tama pa.
Kita ka na siya? Sa pinituan? Oh! Aray. Ang galing brief ko dun ah.
It really hurts.
Okay. Dito? Ayun.
Attention here.
Attention nyo daw.
Wait lang. Ano mo na?
Tara, puntahan natin.
Ang daming kalaban. Huwag.
Nakalikuran na naman tayo. Diba may nakasasakyan? Pagurugupol ata eh.
Tinamahan yung shit ko.
Hindi ko siya makita pero binabara niya ako.
Ano lang siya sa rooftop.
Hey guys, hello, do you hear me?
Hey, what's up?
Do you know who I am?
Oh,
Of course.
Ritush.
Push.
Hey. What's up?
Oh, we're in game.
Yeah,
Are you online?
Oh, he's down my friends.
I'm watching I'm watching Kiss streaming, you know?
Oh, okay. Are you online on PUBG?
Yeah, I'm online in PUBG.
Nakakayas na ako. Killed one. Easy, boys.
No.
May kalaban pa mo kayo?
Wala.
You know how I got it that you guys are playing?
I'm really sorry.
What, my friend?
You know that how I know that you guys are playing?
How?
Are you a hacker?
You just killed me before.
What?
What?
Yes.
Seriously?
Where?
Yeah, seriously.
What map?
What map? Miramar?
No, Irango.
I reckon, oh, the game before this.
Incorrect map.
Ay, ay, ay.
No, in current map.
Oh, no!
Current game.
No! We killed you!
Yes.
Oh,
Enemy!
Oh! You're the one in Rozok, right? Near Rozok.
Yeah.
Oh, siya yung napatay mo, love.
Enemy!
Papaikot-ikot nga lang ako dito eh. Hindi ko naman matatamaan yan eh. You wanna go?
Enemy!
hit,
Ay,
hit, hit, hit.
Are you playing with your friends? Love, nasan na? Uy, nahit ka, love ah.
Bitch, where are you, bitch?
Sa taas?
Puno. 3.
Enemy!
Okay.
Ah! I see you.
I see you. I'm gonna run to you. Ooh. Dito, di ba?
Are you guys dating each other? You and Akira?
Yeah.
Akira. Nice,
No.
sounds really good.
No, I'm gay.
Wait.
Where's Sally? Oh, I'm already here.
Wait.
Yeah. Napapa-English tuloy ako. Okay, I'm here. Dito sila makikita.
Enemy!
Love.
Enemy.
Wait.
Okay. Wala dito eh. Nawala?
Oh, wala, hindi ko na siya nakita eh.
O yun. May nakamotor?
Mm-mm.
Sabay.
Dito. Dito sa kabila. Kid. For X thanks. Red dot. Tumuloy? Meron pa? 150? Lab. Open lang siya.
Meron yung mga baril sa akin, hindi ko nakita kung nasaan.
150. Southeast. Ka lang.
50?
Dito. Mark. Uy, meron pa sa taas.
Meron pa pala sa likod.
Oo, meron pa sa likod.
Meron pa dito?
Meron pa.
Kaya nga, tara, patayin natin to. Isa lang yan.
Tara.
No. Meron sa
Okay.
likod. KZ, wait lang ah. Meron sa likod eh.
Patay na.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh
Di
shit.
pa kasi- Oh.
Wait lang.
Hala ka. Oh shit. Ito yung kanina pa eh.
Sakambot. Oh, shit. Fuck.
Kita ka?
Bakit niya ako binabaril?
Mag-isa lang yan.
Binabaril niya ako, guys.
Ouch.
Nandun ako sa likod ng ano. Love, ikay naglalakad? Uy, binabaril niya
Parang
ako. Wala
cheater.
pa. Binabaril nga niya ako sa likod ng ano eh. Ng wall.
Cheater.
Oo.
Cheater. Confirm.
Ay, Ayan o, binabaril niya ako. Wait lang, wait lang. Kagi.
Takbuhan nyo na yan.
Aray!
Dahil gusto makita ng marathon.
Nakakainis.
Marathon.
Marathon. Okay.
May first aid. May first aid. May bandage.
Of course. May drinks ka? Gusto mo?
Papapatay na kami. Cheater to eh.
Sabi
Marathon.
sa drinks.
Ayun. Saan ka na? Wait, wait, wait. Makapapatay pa natin to eh. Okay, hindi pala.
Binabaril ka na? GG ka na.
Hoy! Ano ginagawa mo?
Halika dito, kahit i-smoke kita, makikita ka niya.
Hindi na may kita dito na sa kabila siya. Hindi mo. May aimbot tatay. Ano ba rin siya sa building? Okay.
Andito na siya.
Report.
Andito na siya agad. Sabi ko na may tumatak.
Proper lane.
Wait, guys, invite me, okay? I'm just recording.
Oh, sure. What's your IGN? I think we're not friends.
What? You're not playing again?
No,
No,
I
no.
think we're not yet friends here.
Okay, don't worry. I will give you my ID.
Okay.
Siya, wag mo na ako ate kasi I'm eating
Okay.
burger.
Mm.
Kaya kita dyan dun eh.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oh.
The number one burger in the Philippines.
Angel's Burger.
Angel's Burger. One bite.
Just
One bite, all bread.
who made you burger?
Oh,
Oh, it's fast food here.
It's mean you purchased this from a store or you made it yourself?
I think he bought it. Binili mo yan, Del?
Oh, it's better to make it
Yeah, I
yourself,
buy.
you know.
He bought it.
Nice.
but
Nice.
the angels with me. The angels want me to buy.
Hey Tush, can you chat your IGN on public chat?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Not in public chat. I'll just DM you.
Okay.
PM na lang. Wait.
KZ, wait lang ah. KZ, naririnig mo ba ko? Bago man na
Check
mag-ready
your
ba?
Discord.
Hirap naman mag-English. Wait.
Para luman. Check your Discord.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Wait a minute.
I already invited you.
Thank you.
Go team.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna follow you.
Sponsored by
Angel's Burger.
Angels?
Sponsored by me. This show.
I buy angels but I give angels a tip.
Ano din? Hindi ka naman
I buy
na
a burger in the angels. Then I give them the bill.
You gave them what?
The bill.
The bill?
And they tip me a lot of money.
Baliktad. Ang maganda doon, nilibre ka na, sinuklian ka ba?
Ginawa nga akong model.
Wow.
Mara.
Ay, yes, Tush.
Is that your name, Mara?
Yeah.
Seriously?
No.
Yes.
Her name is Nur Sultan Tulyakbay.
What it mean?
No, don't believe him.
My real name is Nur Sultan Tulyakbay. That's
Oh,
real
middle name
name.
is-
My real name is Ububwebebe. On your Twitter.
I'll just call you Mara and Aki.
Yeah.
No, don't put Yaki. No.
You can call him Noodle.
I'm really famous here in the Philippines.
You can
Yeah.
call me what?
You can call him
You can call me that.
Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah, call him Daddy. Yeah. And I'm your
Like-
mommy.
Like that. Choke me,
Oh.
daddy.
Uy, nandito si Bianca, Del. Ito talaga.
Ay, sorry, master.
May underage
Joke-
tayo dito.
Joke kasi yun ng shotgun, SG.
Choke with Daddy. Bullet choke. I wanna mark.
Where are we
Tush?
going?
Wanna go here? Apartment?
Okay, okay.
Apartment
Let's go,
tayo, Casey.
Tragedy.
Ayaw mo sumali sa Discord. Nandito kami tatlo, Casey.
Try ko mamaya.
Nahirapan ako mag-push to talk. Sige, sige.
Are we going to school or apartment?
Apartment.
Apartments.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna... Never mind.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Marami?
5,
Oh, shit.
6, 7.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
mga 25.
25 squad.
25.
Lahat bumaba.
So in the middle one?
It's kill or be killed. 1, 2, 3, 4. One
Only
squad.
one.
Ano, only one? Ang dami dito.
Only one nga.
Gag- isa
One
lang.
squad.
Sa school yung iba, sa school.
Meron sa taas mo.
Kaya nga, isa lang to, isa lang.
Enemy.
Eh,
Meron
bahay
nga,
siya.
Enemy
apat
that
nga to,
one,
apat.
Enemies that mama.
Apat ba?
Apat. Ingat. Careful.
Oh man, why I'm lagging a lot?
Oh, it's okay. Careful, guys. Pwede ko ba pang rat-rat tong ano? Ayun, auto pala siya.
Alin?
Car.
Pwede naman.
Ingat ha? Careful.
Baka kasi dito ate nagre-reload yung car every barrel mo.
Hindi oh.
Di ba?
Hmm.
Kumakas ha?
Parang hindi. Ay, gagi.
Oh, someone just fired a flare gun.
Oh.
Where? Here?
At
At
the
school?
school.
Okay.
Hey, Aki,
Hey.
give me your skin. M416 skin.
Parang may footsteps
Thanks,
sa
buddy.
akin.
I like it. Thanks, buddy.
Wait, I'm gonna copy it. Nice! Nice.
How to
Wala?
copy the skin.
Saan yung mga kalaban?
Control Shift Alt and then left click or right click on your skin. On the
Shift
Control Shift and the Alt.
or
Click your weapon.
that's it.
Yeah.
That's
Nice.
Akwan.
nice.
I knock you bloody.
Careful. Be careful.
Some 7 ammo here if anybody want.
Ayun.
Tumalon sa likod ng building na to.
Wala na palang helmet. Nice.
2 more.
May vision ka?
Wala.
Yeah.
Vision.
Diyan sa building mismo?
Blue mark.
Okay.
2. Kasi di ako makatakbo eh.
Sa dulong bahay lab.
Dito sa akin.
Sa dulong bahay yun, no?
Diyan sa
They are up.
kay number 2 and 4.
4? Okay, okay. Careful, careful. May bumabaril sa
Andyan
school.
lang yan.
May bumabaril sa likod.
Oo, sa school yun.
Raid, raid, raid.
Oh.
What? How?
Sa ano? School?
Let me see.
This, I think it's a cheater.
Ayun lang.
No, I hit him. I hit him.
Wala.
Enemy.
School na school yan, yung binabaril ko.
Asan yung nandito? Wala akong ano, ibang baril.
Wala kang bisa natin.
Wala.
Wala. Nasa ano? Wait lang.
Oh shit. No! Saan bandalag?
Nandyan lang yan eh.
Dalawa yan ate.
Nice.
Revive me, Jet.
No, my friend.
Revive me, Jet. Jet, revive me.
Jet revive.
How can I revive you?
Jet, revive me, Jet. Use your ultimate.
We are not playing Valorant, dude.
No. Use your ultimate.
Pilipino yun, di ba?
Ah,
Ah,
Jet.
come on, push. Revive me. You have ultimate. Come on.
Okay, come.
okay, come.
I can only see you credit.
Sarap natin sa bahay, yung maliit. Sa baba.
Ah,
Dalawa
Sayang.
sila.
Wala na si Master. Wala
alam
na
nila.
si Master.
Ayun, yun. Second floor, second floor.
Oh man.
Asan bang kayo mulog?
Ano
Wala
na,
akong bang, wala akong bal.
Wala rin akong gamit masyado. eh.
Umabaril siya kahit ano.
May extra ammo kayo, yung
He
green.
broke my
556.
helmet. Mara, give me your helmet.
No. Why?
Because you're my
Wala na akong bala.
You're my mommy.
Ah, bigyan kita ng 50. Bigyan kita ng 50, KZ.
You're my mommy.
yeah,
Dito,
exactly.
dito. Shit. Nice.
Nice.
May isa
Easy
pa,
boy.
may isa pa, may isa pa. Andito na siya. Sa mark ko, sa mark
Sa
ko.
building,
Oo.
harap mo.
Sa baba, sa baba. Sa baba, sa baba. Sa mark ko, ah. Oh, shit!
Oh no.
Bawasan yun, bawasan.
Wait lang.
Andito na siya.
Bakit
Sa
ako?
baba, sa baba. Below, below. First floor ata, ah. Ah, dito na. Ah. Meron pa pala. Nice, nice, nice try.
Hit again.
Sayang. I'm going in.
She has an apple bottom jeans, boots
With
with
the
the fur.
The whole club. Oh! Winning said ng stars.
Hmm?
Thank you sa nag-send ng stars. Amiel Way Cruz.
Sana
20 stars. Wah! Ang babait naman.
Thank you.
Salamat. Halika yung Discord. Pag gusto nyong makilaro sa amin. Three weeks straight. Oh,
Who is I am Kaizi?
Oh, he's our new friend.
our new friend
Oh,
here in
nice.
PUBG.
Nice. Hello, dude.
But he's not here on Discord. Ay, nandito na ba siya?
No, he's not here.
Ah, wala. He's not here.
Hey, Mara.
Yes.
What is TUTS in your name? Tuts.
Oh, it's nickname. Just a nickname. They call me Maratuts when I was little.
Oh,
Yeah.
Until
Goyak. And is that your nickname too?
Magoyaki.
No, it's food in Japanese.
Egg roll.
Oh, food.
Yeah.
And, do you mean that you are a foodie, right?
No. It means eat my balls. No, Tamago means egg, and then Aki is my name. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but that's it. Eat my balls, dude.
Seriously?
Just a fun.
Egg. Tamago means egg, and
Egg
then
roll.
That's what
Aki.
you had from-
Tamago and Aki.
okay,
Head
let's go
towards the
to
mark.
Slova. Oh, we gotta die. Bless.
Dalawa pa pala yung kanina. Sayang.
Wala, nabunak ako eh.
No, it's okay. Oh, may kasabay? Or ikaw yung nag-drop? Ah, meron. 1, 2, 3. Uy, ang dami. Tingnan mo. Okay. Prepare to die.
No.
No.
Perfect.
Look at the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14?
We used to drop here at most of the time. Me and Sully.
Oh, did you survive?
How many times did you
Yeah,
survive?
yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
nice.
Almost most of the time.
Attention here.
Oh, you carry us, okay? Ang dami!
Enemies at down.
Enemies all over. Ooh,
Yeah, all over.
okay. I don't... Nice. Nice. Burst. Oh shit, naglalag pa ako. Layo ko pala sa
Baral.
inyo.
Dami. Hala. Nice.
Thanks. Hey guys, where did it lead?
Oh, shit!
Shit.
Meron pala dito.
Layo mo sa amin. Oh.
Ang dami.
Enemies in this building. Upstairs. Are you guys gonna help me or not?
I'm coming. Wait for me. Let's go.
You're in one building. The three of you.
Yeah, we all three. I just scared of these enemies. That's why I'm here with you.
Ay, careful.
Enemy here?
Oh, someone is needing.
Or it's me.
my mark in this building. Who is that? Is that Marcus?
Sa bubong ata.
Oo, meron nga.
Sa bubong, sa bubong.
Sa taas may babaril sa kanya.
Saan?
Sa taas nyo, bubong?
Nasaan namin?
Oo, may bumabaril sa kanya.
Oh, I hear someone.
Yeah.
Somebody's on me.
Wait, wait. Wait for me. Someone's up here. Careful. I see him, I see him.
Padan, padan.
Oh!
What?
What? Seryoso?
Oh shit.
Don't go.
What the hell is going on?
Oh,
Oh,
nice
ang
try.
galing naman ito. Oh,
My bad. That's my bad.
no, it's okay. May bad. Layo ko.
RL.
I'm very.
RL.
Sana naman
Tara
tayo.
na, ayoko na.
Sana
Ano
naman
oras na
sana
ba?
tayo.
Aki.
Hey.
What is the purpose of copying this skin?
Oh, it's no, it's just removing the skin. The default. It's you're just returning to the original skin if you click Control Shift and the Alt.
Oh,
You're
nice.
just going to reset it to default if you want to use another skin.
I thought that it will be available on the next time in my inventory.
Hmm.
Let's go.
Oh no, I think I'm.
Ay,
Yeah.
it's our last game. We've been playing.
Yeah, we've been
Okay.
playing for like 5 hours now.
Why first? Seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Asan na si
We've
ano?
been playing
Out
for
na?
like 8 p.m. and it's now 12:30 a.m. here.
Love, kausap
Oh,
mo si KZ sa ano?
and it's at 10 p.m. here.
Oh, it's still early.
KZ, out na kami. Love, makapagsalita ka sana.
Casey na kami. Boss ulit, salamat.
Go!
See you, Tosh.
Yeah.
Tushi, thank
Yeah,
you
see
for
you.
the game.
Thank you.
Thank the game.
Let's
Thank you.
play maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po sa nag-start.
Thank
Salamat sa nanood.
you.